This is the ELA activity list week of March 12th. It is due this Thursday, so you have 4 days to do it, March 15th. First, required 3 times each for 20 minutes. Well, we're doing it 2 times, that's why there's 2 boxes. Read to self and practice your power goal. So you only have to do it 2 times this week because it's due on Thursday. For work on writing this week, required for 20 minutes. Imagine visiting the beach for the day. Create a narrative Foursquare plan telling a story about what you would do at the beach. Remember to include an introduction, at least 2 major events, and a conclusion. Your plan is done independent. Reflect when you're done. Required for 15 minutes, using your Foursquare plan, write a narrative draft telling a story about a day you went to the beach. This is independent. Reflect when you're done. And for work on writing, required for 10 minutes, complete the Writing Fix activity in the resource area. This can be done independent or pair. Reflect when you're done. For reading comprehension this week, required for 20 minutes, you're going to read the story Crossing the Atlantic, One Family Story. After you are finished, do the sheet in the resource area. Reading comprehension can be done independent or with a pair. Write your buddy's name on the line and reflect when you're done. For a foundational skill this week, we're doing different sounds of Y. This is required for 20 minutes. Green and blue readers will be doing the words ending in Y worksheet. Red readers will be doing the vowel sounds of Y worksheet. White readers will be doing the 4-column sounds of Y sort worksheet. This is done independent. Reflect when you're done. Don't forget, required for 5 minutes, scan the QR code and review the tricky words on your level. Independent. Reflect when you're finished. For social studies this week, you have a choice to read or scan. You're reading page 75 to 81 in the Social Studies Alive book, or you can scan the QR code and listen to Social Studies Alive. This can be done independent or pair. Reflect when you're finished. And then required for 10 minutes after reading or listening to 75 to 81, take the How Do People Become Part of Our Country quiz independently. This is a quiz, so make sure you do it independent. You may scan the QR code if you want it to read it to you. Optional this week in Social Studies, you can read page 82 to 85 in Social Studies Alive and create a comic strip showing the most or important events you read about Mel Martinez's life. This is done independent and it's optional. Reflect when you're finished. This week, listen to reading is going to be optional since our activity list is due on Thursday. So your RAS Kids should only be done if you have everything else finished. Remember, RAS Kids is listen to a story on RAS Kids on your level. What is the title? And take the quiz and write down your score. Independent. Reflect when you're finished. Good luck this week.